The 2010 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon on the highway proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.